wearing of masks, sanitation and other safety norms related to health and hygiene. As the process of polls were modified, similarly the norms of the counting arrangements were also modified. Instead of 14 counting tables in a hall, generally we have 7 counting tables kept in every counting hall except the places where much bigger halls are available. So number of postal ballots have also increased, and we have postal ballots through the electronically transmitted postal ballot for the service voters, postal ballot for voters who are above 80 years of age, persons with disabilities and member of the essential services who opted for the postal ballot. We also have the postal ballot for polling officials, the counting of which is going on parallelly. We have on an average about 35 rounds of counting for the assembly constituencies. In some of the cases where the assembly constituencies are big, this round may be about 50 or so. And each round takes about 20 to 30 minutes, which includes tabulation, distribution of round results to the candidates and counting agents. Finally, we have the counting of VVPAT slips of 5 randomly selected polling stations as the final round. Emphasis of the Commission is that the procedures and guidelines relating to counting and COVID-19 are to be scrupulously and sincerely followed. The Commission has directed that the counting officials need not be in a haste or hurry to declare the results, and they should follow all the procedures and take as much time as it is naturally required. Considering the above facts, it is natural that it will take some more time than the normal time, and you are all aware that pandemic period is not the normal time. As rightly said by my colleague in the day, results may come till late night, and the progress is going on smoothly for counting in all the places. Many results have also come. We will give you details about that also. You are aware that the Commission has this time devised a very good IT application, and that voter helpline and the results you can see on our website of the Election Commission. You also have the app and which gives you details, authentic details of the results declared. And as you know that after the every round it has to be properly authenticated, and then it has to be sent to the digital platform of the Election Commission, which is certified by the observers and the returning officers. So that's why there may be little gap in what you see in the media and what you see on our portal. But however, we try to give you the results as early as we receive it from the counting places. So I will request first of all Mr. Ashish Kundra to give you information about this app, because this is for the benefit of the people at large. Anywhere in the country or maybe outside, you can see the results, what is coming on our portal and on our mobile app.
Good evening, everybody. As all of you are aware, and as I had briefed earlier, that we have a voter helpline application which has been widely used by people across the country, and more particularly in Bihar, and of course by the media as well. And the results website which populates different kinds of dashboards. So we are showing candidate wise trends, party wise trends,